everybody, I'm Akemi. Today I have a book called On the Sand. Can you see? So the children goes to the sea. Do you like the sea? Yes, I do. Okay, let's read On the Sand. See? Beef and sheep played on the sand. Can you see? Played on the sand. Look. He's got a bucket and making something. What's that? Okay. See? Dad went to sleep. This is their daddy, father. Okay, he's sleeping on the sand. Okay, Beef and sheep put sand on Dad. They put sand with the scalp. See? He's still sleeping. See, sleeping. They make a sand castle. Wow, look at this. Sand castle. See? 砂のお城. They put Dad's hat on top. See? Can you see? This is Daddy's hat cap. See? Hat. Ooh. So this is sand castle. They made castle with the bucket. Yeah, and it says D-A-D. Dad. And what's this? It's a star? It's a starfish. Starfish. Wow, it looks fun, isn't it? Okay, let's see. They went to get an ice cream. They went to the ice cream shop. Do you like ice cream? Yeah, especially it's hot. Everybody likes to eat ice cream. Dad was still asleep. Where's Daddy? Here. Can you see? He's still sleeping. Yeah, sleeping on the sand. Okay. Chip looked at the donkeys. Chip is, see, eating ice cream. This is Keeper. They are brothers, little brother. Donkey, this is Donkey. Okay. Beef looked at the boat. Beef is looking at the boat. Looks good, isn't it? Maybe Keeper is scary, maybe. Okay, they looked at the go-kart. This is Keeper? No, other boy. This is a go-kart. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. And what's next? Okay, let's go to Daddy's. Oops. Dad was hiding. Oops, no, sorry. They looked at Dad's hat. Oh la la, Daddy's hat. See, it's all water. Is he drawn? 버렸다, Papa. Oh no, said Biff. Oh, I saw Daddy here. What's he doing? Dad was hiding. 隠れてたんだって、パパ. Oh la la. Okay. Biff was cross. Hey, Daddy. ね、怒ってるよ. Biff is cross. Daddy's laughing. The hat was on a stick. 棒に立ててたんだよって. See? Let's look back. See? Ooh, Daddy's hat is on the water. But